These units are made in China by Midea for Big Wall Enterprises, and the units can be purchased on their website or at hardware stores such as Ace Hardware and Do It Best. The guarantee on the units is very minimal when compared to other brands. The 1PACU models are state-of-the-art units with a U shape so that the window can be opened or closed even with the unit installed. They use inverter compressors and have 11.26 ER efficiency as well as a 33 decibel sound rating that is equivalent to less than a light rain shower. They feature Wi-Fi and voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant as well as a temperature sensing remote for enhanced comfort. The units have 3 fan speeds with 4-way auto swing louvers for superior air distribution throughout the room. The 3 PASC air conditioners are for casement windows and use R410A refrigerant, which is less friendly to the planet. They use 115-volt power and have a 10.4 EER efficiency with a sound rating that is equivalent to normal conversation. The 5-pack air conditioners have all of the standard features for a basic window AC, while the 1 PAWFC models have a sleek flat panel look to them. The 4 PACH models include supplemental electric heat for year-round comfort. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.